instructional video on how to change the key switch on your Evo or Evo Motion scooter. There are basically two types of key switch, though the procedure for changing them is the same. If you're not sure what type of switch you have, either a two-way or a three-way, you can follow this procedure to take it out and have a look which one it is so that you ensure you order the right parts. Basically all you need to do this job are two flathead screwdrivers and a 6mm Allen key. Firstly, you may have to move the handlebar clamp because in some cases it's actually covering the two windows that you need to expose to release the plastic clips which retain the key switch into place. Undo the two 8mm bolts and just let the handlebar stem drop by 25mm or so. Just nip those back up so that it's not going to completely drop. You'll then see that you've exposed two windows either side, left and right, and it's these windows where the two clips are located that keep the key switch in place. Undo it, simply press your screwdriver onto the plastic clip in the window and raise the key switch slightly. You'll be able to put your screwdriver underneath to ensure it doesn't pop back in again. And then the same on the other side. Put your screwdriver onto the clip. The key switch basically then just pops up. Then just carefully pull it out. You'll see that underneath you have the wiring harness. That's a three-way. It's got three wires. Connector. The two-way has the same kind of connector. To undo that, you simply depress the latch on the connector and slide the two halves apart. You're ready to fit your new key switch. Just a complete reversal of the process. Slide the two together so that the latch goes through the window on the female connector. That holds it in place. To refit, turn the connector upside down when you pushing it in, and then simply push it down the barrel as far as you can get with your fingers, such, and push the new switch in. The word ignition goes to the bottom left hand side. Align the two plastic clips of the windows and fully press it home. Of course, if you have had to move the handlebars, then simply put those back, undo the two screws again, pull back up level with the key switch, come up, and at the same time ensure that they are parallel with the front wheel and your steering is straight. And really tighten these down tightly. You do not want these coming loose while the scooter's in operation, so be careful that you really tighten these up well. Go from one to another and make sure that they're both tight. You've changed the key switch on your Evo scooter.